we have a mystery fruit reveal. And we're going to have the kids try it out. And we're going to see what they think. So, kids, if you were to stick your hand on that, what does the fruit kind of feel like under the cloth?
It feels like it's bumpy.
It's bumpy?
And smooth in some parts.
And feels like it has a few, like, bumps.
So it's bumpy and smooth.
Yes.
Orange!
Yeah.
It feels orange. Okay, that's good to know. All right. Hey, Elijah, how about you carefully pull the cloth off to reveal our fruit?
Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1.
All right, what you have is a dragon fruit. Okay, so what do you think when you look at that?
Yuck.
It looks yuck. Okay.
Yes, it looks yucky.
It kind of looks like grass and fire.
Grass and fire.
Yeah.
What do you think, Helena?
It looks like a lion's egg.
It looks like a lion's egg. Wow, we got some learning to do. All right, well, we're going to cut this.
Lions don't even lay eggs.
There you go. Thank you for that. Now, so we're going to cut this up, and we're going to let you kids try this out. Now, real quick, what do you think is it going to taste like?
Ew.
You think it tastes ew?
I think it'll have, like,
I think it's gonna taste like an apple.
What do you think the inside is going to look like?
It's gonna look like slime.
It's going to look like slime.
I don't know.
You don't know. What do you think it's going to look like inside, Helena?
Oh.
Some moldy cheese.
It's going to look like moldy cheese.
I think it'll look like concrete.
Okay, well, we'll see. All right, well, now that you see the inside of it, what do you think it's going to taste like?
I think it's gonna taste sour.
You think it'll be sour?
And then at the end, it's gonna have a little rush of sweet.
Sour and sweet, okay.
I think it's just gonna have, like, no flavor.
No flavor at all. Helena, what do you think it's going to taste like?
Wheat cheese. Wheat cheese? What?
All right, well, we're going to cut you up some of this, and we'll let you try it out.
I hope this doesn't taste disgusting. Like moldy
Yeah,
cheese?
All right, guys, so here's the fruit. Now, why don't you touch it and tell me what it feels like?
It feels slimy and it's got seeds, so it just has.
Okay, so are you ready?
It feels extremely seedy.
Okay, it feels very seedy. All right.
It feels like a watermelon.
Feels like a watermelon. All right, are you kids ready to try a bite?
Yeah.
All right, so each pick it up and wait. In 3, 2, 1, bite.
Good.
Okay, so we got a reaction from Elijah. Elijah? How is the dragon fruit?
Gross!
Okay, so we have some mixed reactions.
Yummy.
Okay, so let's start with Elijah. Elijah, what does it taste like to you when you eat it?
Just what I thought it was sweet. It's just plain, no flavor, and just,
No flavor?
yeah, in my opinion.
All right, Celia, you had the opposite reaction.
Yeah, it's so good. It tastes like watermelon.
Helena says it tastes like watermelon. What does it taste like to you, Celia?
Yummy.
How so?
Like, it's just got the right kind of texture, and then it just got a little watermelon flavor, and then there's a little bit when there's no flavor at all.
Ah, so it's a little watery, a teeny bit sweet, and then there's like no flavor after that.
Yes.
Well, that's cool. Helena, what do you think?
Good.
Just good.
It tastes like watermelon.
Well, that's awesome. Well, thank you, kids, so much for trying this out. So would you want us to buy this fruit again?
Yeah! Yum.
Crystal clear answer. That's good.
That means we will get it.
All right. Well, expect more fruit mysteries coming in the future with Homeschool Arcade.
Good.
Bye!
Bye. Bye.
So we really have a lot of great information coming this way. And if you're interested in this topic or any of our other videos, please click subscribe and the bell so you can be notified as videos are coming out. And feel free to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. And let's get to it.